right, that's our vomiting pumpkin.
Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, this is Corban's Adventures in Learning. I'm Corban, and this is Mommy.
Hello, and today we're going to do a science experiment called the disappearing ice. So let's get started.
Stay tuned. This is going to be fun. Oh, yeah. Right, so we got all our stuff. This is what we need. We need some ice, some glass cups, 2 glass cups. We need some salt, 1 test tube, and a funnel. I hope you have fun watching this video. Let's get started. Let's start building.
Alright, so now we're going to start the disappearing ice experiment.
So now we're going to put 1 ice in here. And this glass here. And we're going to put 1 ice in here. And this glass here. And then we're going to sprinkle halfway of salt into the test tube.
Yep. Test tube should be filled halfway with salt. Keep pouring. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, stop. All right.
That's a little bit more than half.
It's okay. It's okay. So now you're going to take the funnel out. And you're going to sprinkle salt over in one of the glasses. Just one.
All of it?
You could do all of it, yeah. Alright, and make sure the salt gets on the ice there. Maybe shake up the glass a little bit.
Shake.
Alright, now between the 2 glasses, what are we trying to find, Corban?
We're trying to find which glass melts faster.
Or which piece of...
Or which piece of ice dissolve.
Yeah, which piece of ice melts faster. So
let's try to put a little bit more salt in here, okay?
You want to try a little bit more salt?
Yeah.
Okay, this is your experiment. But make sure you put it in 1 glass, the same glass that you put the salt in there. I think that's enough. Okay, let's see what happens. Go ahead.
What do you think?
Don't do that.
Why?
Alright, put the salt in there.
Let's try to see if it's...
So what do you already observe?
I've already observed that this is covered in salt and it's a little bit mushy.
A little bit mushy, right? How does the other piece of ice feel? Don't fill it with the one with the salt, with your hand with the salt. Fill it with the hand that doesn't have salt on it. How does that one feel?
Feels very hard.
It feels very hard, not mushy like the other one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so let's come back in 20 minutes and we'll see what happens, okay?
I'm mixing the salt and the water.
Okay.
So we're done with the experiment, and our observations is the salt water dissolved way faster than the ice one with no salt in it.
Alright, let's see
I hope
here.
you had fun with the video.
Yeah, but let's observe. So this was the ice with the salt in it, so it's completely dissolved. And this is the one where we didn't put the salt in it, so that is still there. So we made a conclusion that salt melts
faster than ice.
Yeah, well, salt melts the ice faster, right? And that's why when it snows, the workers, they put
salt on their road.
Yes.
To melt the ice faster.
Yes, so drivers can drive safely and they're not slipping all over the road. Right?
Right.
Yeah, so that's why they do that. So did you have fun with this one?
Yes, I hope you had fun too.
Alrighty, welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. And today we're going to do an experiment called the tooth decay experiment. And it will show children why it's important for them to
brush your teeth.
Yes, brush your teeth. How many times a day?
2 times a day.
2 times a day. So right now, Corban is writing the labels for the cups we're going to use. And later, we're going to show you exactly what we need. Stay tuned. All right, so you can see here that Corban has written water, and he's writing vinegar, and he's writing orange juice. So we're going to use 5 liquids here. So he's writing the labels to our experiment here. And we will be right back.
Alright, so cut the labels here. These 3 are my handwriting, and these 2 are Mommy's.
Yeah, so we cut out the labels and we put them on the cup. So what do we have here? We have dark soda,
tea, orange juice, vinegar, and water.
All right, let's get started with the next part.
Bouncy bouncy.
You ready?
Yes. Okay, so this is what you need. Some 5 cups with your labels on. You need some eggs, water, tea, vinegar, orange juice, and Coke.
All right, let's go to the next step.
You also need toothbrush and toothpaste.
Oh yeah, toothbrush and toothpaste, but we'll do that tomorrow. All right. All right, now Corbin is gonna start pouring the liquids in all the cups.
3, 2, 1, go. Make
All
a
right.
little mess here.
It's okay, that's the water.
Tea!
Here's the tea.
This is Daddy's tea, but sorry, Dad, we're gonna use it too expensive. Use all of his tea.
Okay, we don't fill up too much because we still have to put the egg in there. All right, what's next?
Let's need the vinegar.
All right, the vinegar. All right, now Corbin's gonna put all the eggs in the liquid. So go ahead.
Yeah, tea time.
All right, so first one's in the tea.
Look at this.
Go ahead. And the next one in the orange juice.
Use this hand here.
All right. Next one in the water. Okay, he's doing the vinegar next. All right, next one in the water. And then the last one in the dark soda. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this sit for 24 hours. And we will see you tomorrow.
Okay, so it's the next day. And here are our results. You got the orange juice here, dark soda, water, tea, and vinegar. Let's open up the orange juice.
All right, you gonna take the egg out of the orange juice?
Yes. Which is it gonna be, white or brown?
I don't know, we'll see.
Yes, Mommy.
What? Oh, guess?
Yes.
I think it might be a little orangish. Like an orange tint to it.
It's
Okay.
white.
All right, let's put on the napkin there.
Water.
Oh yeah, it has like some little bubbles around it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's find the dark soda.
All right.
Dun,
That's the dark soda.
It turned brown.
It's brown. Look at
Yeah.
that. Oh wow,
Let's-
that's what dark soda does to your teeth. All right. What's next?
Water.
Water. Let's see.
Whoa!
What do you see about the water?
Nothing happened.
Oh, it still looks clear, right?
Yeah,
What's the same?
it's actually sticking.
It's sticking.
That was
to
the
napkin?
tea.
All right, let's do the tea. What happens? Let's see.
Oh,
Hmm.
so a little brown.
Yeah, it's a little brown, right?
Yeah, like white.
Yeah. Okay.
It looks
Put it on the
it
napkin.
looks like
Yes, a little has a little brown tint to it, right?
vinegar.
Vinegar. Ooh, it looks a little bubbly inside,
It's
right?
white and it's also bouncy.
Let's see. Oh, it is bouncy. Oh, it is bouncy. Look at that. See, the vinegar is acidic. And how does it feel? Does it hard like before? Like, do you feel the shell, or how does it feel?
I feel like the shell like peeled off.
The shell peeled off, maybe because of the acid in the vinegar.
Whoa, the shell's not in here. The shell peeled off actually.
Oh, wow. Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So this is what each liquid does to your teeth.
Look at this.
And the eggshell is kind of similar to your enamel on your teeth.
There you go.
Yeah, it's bouncy, right?
Oh, look at the inside. You can actually see inside.
Oh, yeah, you can.
It's
Here, show us that.
see-through.
Looks like little holes there.
See-through.
Yeah. All right, it's the next day, and we have put toothpaste on the egg with this is the one with the dark soda, right? That was the one in the dark soda?
Yeah.
So Corbin is gonna brush the egg.
Brush. It would have been better if you were brushing it for me. Brush.
Oh, I see some white.
Huh? Where?
You see it's becoming white? Keep brushing.
Brush. See, it was just
Yeah.
something wrong with the toothpaste.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's wet first.
Yeah, we wet it. And then, oh yeah, keep going.
I got toothpaste in me.
You can kind of see the white there. Can you show them the white while you're
Here.
brushing? You gotta turn it over so they can see it. Yeah, you kind of see the white disappearing there. Or, I'm sorry, the brown disappearing. So this is what happens when you brush your teeth.
Thanks for watching. Hi, welcome to Corban sFunLearningAdventures and Learning. Today we're going to be doing the Alka-Seltzer Rocket.
An Alka-Seltzer rocket. And what do we need, Corbin?
We need a 1 liter water bottle.
Yep, that's 1 liter, and it's a 4 full of what?
Water.
Yep, fill it 1/4 full of water.
We need this.
Yeah, we have a tube. We just rolled up some construction paper and put tape on the end of it to make a tube. And what else do we need?
We need food coloring, a quart,
Okay.
and 4 packs of Alka-Seltzer.
All right, so we got food coloring, 1 cork, and 4 packs of Alka-Seltzer, right?
That's why, because we need 8 Alka-Seltzer.
And we're gonna use 8 Alka-Seltzers. All right, let's get started.
Started.
All right, first Corbin's gonna put 2 drops of red food coloring into the water bottle there.
Oh!
Yeah. And then just shake it a bit so the food coloring can get into the water there.
We didn't bring a spoon.
Yeah, we didn't bring a spoon, so just shake it a little bit.
Shake.
All right, let's go to the next step.
This is probably gonna come out pink.
All right, Corbin has 8 pieces of Alka-Seltzer there. We're gonna break each one of those in half so it can fit into our
2,
tube.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right, we got 8. Let's go to the next step.
I'm
We'll
gonna
break them up. All right. All right, so this step is gonna go pretty fast. I have my tube here, and I'm gonna slip the Alka-Seltzer in here.
I'm getting ready to run. Alright, Ari Ferris. Oh, it's taking a while.
Yep, let's put these 2 in here.
I'm standing back.
So I dropped one. Okay, standing. Let's see what happens.
Oh, it is legging there. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to be doing the turkey blaster.
Turkey blaster, so
Stay tuned.
stay tuned. Okay, Corbin, so what do we need for our turkey blaster?
Glass jar.
All right, glass jar,
Rubber band.
rubber band, but that's optional.
Black marker.
Black marker. All right, what else? Yes, that's a measuring spoon. You need a
Tablespoon.
Yep, tablespoon.
Some scissors.
All right, scissors. All right, what else?
A 1/4 cup.
1/4 of a cup.
Citric acid.
Citric acid.
Glue.
Glue.
Glove.
That's a
and
plastic glove.
Construction paper.
Yeah, plastic glove, construction paper.
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Goggles and a water.
All right, baking soda, goggles, and water. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I did was I just cut 2 small triangles from the construction paper, and we are going to glue them on as beaks on the turkey, kind of like that. Okay, the next step is just to draw your eye here, just a big circle there, just like that. And we're gonna do both sides here. But actually, it should look like this. So, all right, the next step is that we just kind of drew this feather here, and I'm gonna cut it out and glue it to our turkey. Okay, so this is how our turkey should look after you have put on your eyes, your beak, and your feathers. And we'll go to the next step. All right, so the next step is that we're going to put 1 tablespoon of citric acid into the glass jar here. All right, go ahead, pour it in.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay.
Now, let's go to the next step. Next step is to do the baking soda.
All right, so the next step, Corban's gonna pour 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the glass jar, and he just did it. All right, okay, so the next step is we're gonna take 1/4 cup of water and we're gonna pour it into the glove. Here you go. So the next step is we're gonna put the glove around the glass jar. But you want to make sure that the water doesn't go in there yet. So we're just going to do this very carefully here. All right, so you want to do it just like that. All right, so we actually made another one. This one is mine. And if you can kind of see here, I have a rubber band here that I put up from the bottom because the turkey might blow off. So I didn't want mine to blow off, but Corban wants his to blow off. So with mine, I have a rubber band around it just to see if it will keep the glove on. So we'll see how it works. All right, time to lift them up. You ready? Go. Woo! And there's our turkey. Ah! Corban fell off, but mine
Look at
stayed
yours.
on. Woo, look at that. Mine stayed on. And there's your turkey.
But it's getting so much gas. Guys, look at mine. It's still bubbling.
All right, so you can see that mine stayed on because I put a rubber band on it, but Corban's flew off. So if you want your turkey to stay on, just make sure that you put a rubber band on the bottom to keep the glove on. So that's our experiment.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Going back up.
Bye. Today we're going to be making the oozing pumpkin.
The oozing pumpkin.
So stay
All
tuned.
right, Corban, so what do we need for our oozing pumpkin?
A carved pumpkin.
All right, carved pumpkin.
Some hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide.
Some dish soap.
All right, dish soap.
Active dry yeast.
Active dry yeast.
A measuring cup.
Measuring cup.
Food coloring.
Food coloring.
Measuring spoon.
All right, measuring spoons.
And a cup.
A cup.
And last but not least, water.
Water. And what about, did you say the food coloring?
Food coloring.
Food coloring. All right, let's get
started.
All right, the first thing Corban's gonna do, he's gonna put the cup inside the pumpkin. All right, and we'll go to the next step. All right, the next step is I'm going to put 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide inside the cup, inside the pumpkin. All right, now I'm going to put the second cup of hydrogen peroxide in here. And only parents should do this step. All right, now Corban is going to put some drops of food coloring into the hydrogen peroxide.
I actually messed up and put it on here.
It's okay. All right, you can put as many drops as you want, maybe 10 or so. All right, and we'll go to the
next step.
Okay, now Corban is going to put about 2 tablespoons of dry active yeast into this glass bowl here. That's about 1. And it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, and now we'll go to the next step. Now Corban is going to mix a 1/2 cup of water and put it into the active dry yeast.
Now and then we're going to stir it.
Yes.
Some fell out. Ooh.
All right, now Corban is stirring it.
Mash, mash, mash.
All right, moment of truth. Now Corban is going to pour the dry active yeast and water mixture into the pumpkin. Good job. Pour it all in there. And let's see what happens. Whoa! Look, it's coming out.
Let me, can I? It's coming!
The vomiting pumpkin. That's our vomiting pumpkin.
Mm-hmm.
Did you like that one, Corban?
Yeah!
All right.
Thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye!
Subscribe and like and hit the bell. And remember, keep watching more videos.
Yes, keep watching more videos. Bye!
See you in the next video. Bye!